When it comes to working on the farm, have you ever caught yourself asking, I wonder how they used to do whatever? Well, I'm Paul Mack, and the Farmhands Companion channel is dedicated to inspiring folks toward resourcefulness and self-sufficiency through demonstrating the skills and knowledge of the traditional subsistence farm. You'll see a little bit of homestead how-to, a little bit of farming history and nostalgia, and to be quite honest, who knows what else. You can also learn how to make or fix up all kinds of things, and even build outbuildings like log chicken houses, sheds, or barns, even if you're not necessarily a carpenter. After all, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be. And you can take your pick of the litter of a variety of different shows on the Farmhands Companion channel. Shows like My Favorite Farm Tool, where I take each farm tool and explain what makes it my favorite. The Farmhands Companion Farm Bulletin episodes that feature brief how-to information on a variety of small farm or homestead topics. You can even have your own farm questions answered on the Farmhands Companion Question and Answer Show. And as if all that weren't good enough, there are also Farmhands Companion extras from time to time. They're just, extra. And then finally, there's the Farmhands Companion Show, much of which shows the progress as I take an undeveloped tract of land and attempt to turn it into a working, old-fashioned farm. So please subscribe as we learn to appreciate working with our hands, all the while preserving the best of the traditional subsistence farm of the American past.